Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today we test the battery life of the new DJI Osmo Pocket. As a comparison, we put it next to the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Both cameras are recording 4K video at 30 frames per second. The GoPro has the electronic stabilization turned on. After 28 minutes recording, the Osmo Pocket shows that its battery reached 80% of its capacity. After 1 hour and 23 minutes, the Osmo Pocket reaches 40% of the battery charge. Almost at the same time, the battery of the GoPro Hero 7 Black is empty and it turns off. The Osmo Pocket continues to record until it reaches the 2 hours mark. Short after it turns off. In my opinion, this is a very impressive battery life.